Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Linda.
I am Amira.
Today we're gonna do distribution fuse box. The apparatus that we use in our project is main switch, earth leakage circuit breaker, and miniature circuit breaker. And this is body distribution fuse box, and this is cover distribution fuse box.
And I will introduce about wire. We will use 2.5mm wires, which is this is neutral wire, live wire, and this is earth wire. Thank you.
First thing, we must put main switch on the body distribution fuse box. Second, we must put ELCB beside the main switch. And third, we must put MCB current 6 and current 16 beside the ELCB. And don't forget to lock all the unit. Firstly, put the live wire from main switch to the live socket on the ELCB.
Then put the natural wire from the main switch to the LCB socket for natural. From the bottom of the LCB, start with the natural wire to the natural slot.
Then, from the bottom of the ELCB, start with live to the MCB 16. Then, from the bottom of the ELCB, start with live wire to the MCB current 16. Then, put the live wire to the bottom of main switch. Then, put the natural wire on the bottom of the whole natural. Then, put the earth wire on the slot to the bottom of the distribution fuse box.
To check the fuse before insert into the DFB, and then insert it into the main switch. Close the main switch neatly, and then take the probes from the multimeters and put it. You must on the MCB. So the pointer reading shows that on the multimeter. So you can read it on the multimeter. And then put the probes on the next MCB, which is 16, C16. Then on the MCB. And then you can see the pointer reading is pointing
after the number. And then ELCB, you make it as a short circuit. So just turn on